Mini robots modeled on insects may be the smallest, lightest, and fastest ever developed. Researchers at the University of California, Berkeley have created tiny robots that are inspired by the movements of insects. These robots, known as robo-bees, are about the size of a penny and weigh less than a gram. Despite their small size, they are capable of flying and maneuvering with impressive agility. The development of these mini robots has been a significant breakthrough in the field of robotics. By studying the intricate movements of insects, researchers have been able to design robots that can mimic their behavior. This has opened up new possibilities for applications in areas such as search and rescue missions, environmental monitoring, and even pollination. One of the key challenges in creating these mini robots was finding a way to power them. Traditional batteries were too heavy and bulky for such small devices. To overcome this, the researchers developed a wireless power system that allows the robots to be charged remotely. This innovative solution has made it possible for the robots to operate for extended periods without the need for frequent recharging. The robo-bees are equipped with tiny sensors and cameras that allow them to gather data and transmit it back to a central location. This data can then be analyzed to gain insights into various environments and situations. For example, the robots could be used to monitor air quality in hard-to-reach areas or to survey disaster-stricken regions for potential hazards. The potential applications of these mini robots are vast and exciting. They have the potential to revolutionize industries such as agriculture, construction, and surveillance. With their small size and agility, they can access areas that are inaccessible to larger robots or humans. This opens up new possibilities for exploration and research in a wide range of fields. In conclusion, mini robots modeled on insects are a remarkable technological achievement. The development of these tiny, lightweight, and fast robots has opened up new possibilities for applications in various industries. With their ability to mimic the movements of insects, these robots have the potential to revolutionize the field of robotics. The future looks promising for these mini robots, and we can expect to see more exciting developments in the years to come. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for more informative and updated videos on science research, AI technology, and much more. Remember, knowledge is power.